Hey guys, it's Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at a 2025 Sea Ray SDX 250 in quantum blue. New redesigned boat, absolutely beautiful sports top tower. This has got a painted Mercury 300 Verado on the back. It also has underwater lights as well. Let's get on board so I can show you around. Well, as I'm standing on the transom of this boat, you can see it's a full walk-through transom, plenty of room. This sun pad is absolutely ridiculous. I'm 6 foot tall, plenty of room on this. I have chargers, phone holders, I have access to the radio, I have a flagpole. This boat is designed to hold 14 people. You are not going to find a better boat to go out and have a great time with on the water. As I'm walking through the transom, we have a small transom door to keep children and dogs out. You have your first cooler right here. You're walking through. The storage on this boat is absolutely ridiculous. Being that this is an outboard, you can see you have access to everything you need down here with plenty of room to store stuff as well. The storage is literally endless on this boat. You have a table that sits here as well. Another cooler right here. It's impossible not to have a good time on this boat. Pilot seat is forward or reversing. You can sit either way. It's equipped with 2 Simrad screens. Another access to the Fusion over here. You have a glove box. The head area in this is absolutely ridiculous. You have a little cuddy cabin head area, and this opens up as well to allow some fresh air in. So you can shut this. And you walk up in the bow, you have another table that you can put in, another cooler up front, and wraparound seating to enjoy the day on the water with chargers and phone holders everywhere. If you would like to see this boat, you can see it at MarineMax in Charleston. You can go to our website, MarineMaxCharleston.com, or you can reach us at 843-747-1889. This is Rob Harrell with MarineMax. Let's get on the water.